Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply online for Social Security, only ways. Begin by creating a My Social Security account and verifying your identity with photo ID and documents. Next, complete the online application step by step, entering personal details, work history, and beneficiary information accurately. Upload digital copies of required documents and review every page for errors. Submit the application and save confirmation details for future tracking and follow up. Start by collecting documents so the application flows smoothly and you avoid interruptions. Scan or photograph each document clearly, keeping files under size limits and in accepted formats. Enter exact names and dates as shown on official records to prevent mismatches. If you have prior benefits or pensions, include those details to calculate accurate eligibility. Double-check contact information so Social Security can reach you without delay or confusion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for setting reminders, asking quick questions, and playing relaxing sounds while you complete forms. It pairs nicely with a steady workflow and hands-free timers to pace your session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work through each online section calmly and use the help icons if a field confuses you. When providing employment history, include employer names, dates, and earnings to avoid later requests for clarification. Use the application preview to scan for typos and inconsistent dates that could delay approval. If prompted to consent to electronic records, read the terms and proceed if you agree. Keep a screenshot of the final confirmation for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.